Welcome to Highway Havens, your ultimate stop for luxury motorhome tours, in-depth car reviews, and road trip inspiration. From high-tech RVs to the latest automotive launches, we bring the open road to your screen every week.
Imagine waking up to sunlight pouring in through a panoramic skylight, a fresh cup of coffee brewing just a few steps away, and the open road waiting right outside your door. That's the feeling the Burstner Lyseo T690 SkyLine is built to deliver. A luxury motorhome that doesn't just take you places, it makes you feel at home wherever you are. Today, we're going inside one of the most beautiful and functional RVs designed for full-time living. The Burstner Lyseo T690 SkyLine isn't just another camper. It's a statement of comfort, craftsmanship, and everyday luxury. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you might just start dreaming about living your life on the road. Let's start with the exterior, and right away, the Lyseo T690 SkyLine grabs attention with that signature Burstner design language. Clean lines, smooth contours, and a perfectly balanced shape that screams premium. At first glance, it's elegant, not too flashy, but modern enough to turn heads at every stop. The SkyLine edition adds subtle yet classy details, chrome accents, refined graphics, and that panoramic front roof section that gives the RV its name. Built on a Fiat Ducato chassis, it's powered by a robust 2.2-liter multi-jet diesel engine, known for reliability and smooth driving. Whether you're climbing mountain passes or cruising down the highway, the Lyseo handles like a dream. The overall length, around 699 meters, hits the sweet spot. It's compact enough for easy maneuverability, yet spacious enough inside to feel like a real home. Add in features like 16-inch alloy wheels, LED daytime running lights, and a heated double-floor construction. And you know Burstner means business. That double floor isn't just for insulation. It gives you hidden storage and helps keep the interior climate stable, whether it's freezing in the Alps or sunny in Arizona. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is how bright and open it feels. The SkyRoof panoramic dome floods the cabin with natural light, creating a sense of space that most RVs in this size range can only dream of. The living area features a modern L-shaped lounge, wrapped in premium upholstery that feels both plush and durable. You've got a foldable dining table, adjustable seats, and that signature Burstner finish, soft touch materials, integrated lighting, and subtle ambient LEDs. It's not just about looks, it's about smart design. Every corner is thought out. Concealed storage under the seats, overhead cabinets with damped hinges, and USB charging ports right where you need them. And the insulation? Top-notch. You could comfortably work, dine, or relax here year-round. Moving to the kitchen. This is where the Lyseo T690 SkyLine really starts to shine for full-time living. The layout is ergonomic and efficient. You get a 3-burner gas stove, a deep stainless steel sink, and a 142-liter fridge with a separate freezer, ideal for long trips without worrying about daily grocery runs. The worktop is surprisingly spacious for a mid-size RV, and there's even a fold-out extension for extra prep area. Below, the drawers glide smoothly and lock automatically when you start driving. No rattling, no spills. The attention to detail is impressive. LED lighting under the cabinets, premium faucet finish, and soft closed drawers. It feels more like a modern studio apartment kitchen than an RV setup. Now let's move to the bedroom. And this is where Burstner proves why it's a favorite among full-time travelers. The Lyseo T690 SkyLine features a spacious rear bed setup with 2 large single beds that can easily convert into a king size using the center extension. You've got high-quality mattresses, LED reading lights, and plenty of storage underneath. Above you, more overhead cabinets and, yes, that beautiful skylight window for nighttime stargazing or early morning sunshine. And the best part? You still have a solid partition door to separate this area for privacy when you need it. It's cozy, quiet, and genuinely feels like a real bedroom, not just a makeshift space. On the right side, you'll find a well-designed compact bathroom, and it's one of the smartest layouts in this class. It features a rotating wall system, which allows you to switch between toilet and shower mode instantly. That means your toilet stays dry even after a full shower. A small touch, but one that adds huge convenience for everyday living. You also get a modern sink, built-in mirror lighting, and enough storage for toiletries and towels. Every inch is maximized. You never feel cramped, which is a rare thing in a 7-meter motorhome. Speaking of maximizing space, Burstner has absolutely nailed it with storage. You'll find clever compartments under the seats, the double floor, and even within the steps leading up to the bed. The garage space at the rear is huge for a vehicle this size, perfect for camping gear, folding bikes, or outdoor chairs. All the technical components, like the fresh and waste water tanks, heating system, and electrical controls, are neatly integrated and easy to access. The Trumacombi 6E heating system ensures you're warm during winter, while excellent ventilation keeps things cool in summer. You could easily live here full-time without compromising comfort. Now let's talk about the driving experience. Behind the wheel, the Lyseo T690 SkyLine feels refined and stable, more like driving a premium SUV than a bulky RV. The cab area features swiveling captain's chairs, a multimedia display, climate control, and all the modern safety assists you'd expect. ABS, ESC, hill assist, and optional lane monitoring. Noise levels are impressively low thanks to the insulation and aerodynamic design. Long road trips? Effortless. City parking? Surprisingly manageable. Burstner's goal was to make full-time travel feel easy. And that's exactly what this model achieves. So what makes the Burstner Lyseo T690 SkyLine stand out from the crowd? First, the double floor design. Not many mid-range RVs offer this level of comfort and insulation. Second, the SkyRoof panoramic section, which makes the interior feel twice as open. And third, the premium build quality. The furniture, lighting, and soundproofing are a step above most competitors like the Hymer Exus or Corrado T-Series. It's not just a travel vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement for those who want to explore the world without giving up the comfort of home. Now here's a question for you. If you had the keys to the Lyseo T690 SkyLine, where would your first road trip be? Would you hit the mountains, the coast, or the desert? Drop your dream destination in the comments below. I'd love to read them. And if you're enjoying this walkthrough, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. To wrap it up, the Burstner Lyseo T690 SkyLine isn't just about specs or design. It's about the idea of freedom, the ability to wake up somewhere new every day without leaving the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a weekend traveler or planning to go full-time, this RV brings together luxury, practicality, and smart German engineering in a way that just feels right. From the panoramic roof to the hidden storage, every inch is designed for real living, not just short vacations. So if you've ever dreamed of turning the open road into your daily routine, this might just be your next home on wheels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth RV tours and lifestyle reviews every week. Until next time, happy travels, and see you on the next adventure.